All right, gang, welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. I hope everybody had a fantastic day today. As always, we had a candle, new candle open clock. So let's dive in right away and do our markups here. I just want to go over the charts real quick before we look at any entries at all here. So on gold, we have these this resistance here right off the daily time frame. Look at this. Now we came down and look at where we rejected. Look, we had this support level right around here. So this was support here, support, and support. This candle had no bottom wick, and I thought we would have pushed up and then flipped, but no, look at gold. Gold making its way up. So it looks possible we might test this high again. I think if we break above here, this thing is gonna fly up to 3,500, break the all-time high. This thing could also roll over, right? Start pulling down. But the fact that it bounced off of this level, it's possible this thing might want to come and at least retest the resistance around 34.30. All right, so that's off the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the 4-hour now. Current 4-hour, no top wick. It's coming down, making a bottom wick. I might be looking at buys here, gang. No bottom wick on this candle here. So let's see how steep. Once we break the previous 4-hour highs, I think this thing is going to start pushing up here. So we'll keep a close eye on that for now. I want to see if this thing is going to make a steeper wick. We have this support level right here. So there's a new 4-hour support. And we have resistance right around here. Yeah, support, resistance here. So yeah, on the 4-hour we're kind of in this range here, but again, no top wick on the 4-hour, and this thing is pulling down. Already broke the previous 4-hour lows. This thing could start flipping up. I might look at buys in a second here. Very, very, very possible. We'll see. All right. As far as the 1-hour, resistance there, right? But we have this current support, right? So I'm looking at this little chop right here. And one of the things I'm noticing here, though, is that we did form this support level. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Last 6 hours, we've kind of just been ranging right here. And now we're breaking through with no top wick, though. But I'd say I would have to wait for a candle to close below here, because we do have a nice range fill, right? This thing could want to come back and retest the lows down here. So this would be our target, about 33.51. If we close below here, I'll be very interested in the sells here. Well, we'll have to see if this thing starts to flip back up in the next couple minutes. I'll wait for the break of the highs, and then we can look to take our buys on the way up. So we'll be patient and wait. Look at the 30-minute. Look at that 30-minute. Look at that consolidation. Gold did nothing here, and now we're kind of rolling over. We got this strong bearish candle here. Look at all these small candles. Now we got this strong bearish candle. Strong push down. If we get a closure below, I'll be targeting the lows down here. But if it flips up, then it's gonna give us that outlook off the 4-hour here, where we're kind of running up here. So let's see any FEGs in the area. Okay, this kind of makes sense. All right, look at the 1-hour has an FEG down here. We might come down, actually tap this here before we flip. That'll be the 4-hour. Already tapped into this FEG here. Very interesting. 30-minute. Yeah, look at that. Plenty of room to come down. Yeah, 5-minute. Yeah, we got a bearish FEG up here. Yeah, very interesting. Yeah, this could be a potential target right here into this FEG area here, maybe even the bottom range here. So that's pretty much halfway down or the full range down. But we have to close below. If we do not close below, then this thing is potentially looking to flip back up. We have to wait. All right, let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq has been wild, bro. Wild, wild, wild. I mean, we took a sell from up here today. My signals platform for platform members, we took advantage of that move. Yeah, I got the rejection off the top here, so we got in. It's only 255, I think it was. Yeah, so we got in right around up here. Beautiful. We caught this whole move, and yeah, we closed partials. I'm still holding a runner from this trade from this morning, so it's deep in profit. So, yep, got the impulse, correction, impulse. Now we might get a little bit of a correction to continue down. The target is the bottom of the range here. So yeah, our targets are down here somewhere. Yep. So let's see what happens. I'm expecting the NAS to come all the way down here. Yeah, we're deep in profit on this trade. Like I said, we got in all the way up here. So beautiful, beautiful trade, beautiful move. Let's take a look at S&P here real quick. Same price action here. Got a gap to fill up here, very small gap, but I want to come up before it flips down. Not much going on there. Ooh, Bitcoin looking bearish. Look at Bitcoin. Got the drop. Bit of a correction. Now we're starting to come down, make another correction, and if we break these lows here, I mean, this thing might want to come back down. What's the next level now? Yeah, next level is like 110, 107. Yeah, make a nice correction down before it makes a move back up. All right, so now let's focus on gold for the time being here. I'll keep an eye on this 1 hour. Look at how we're breaking back above. Oh wait, actually, right there. On the market, right under the. Right there. All right. So yeah, as you can see, it's right at that support right there. So I'm gonna wait to see if it closes below. It's currently right at that support, so we'll wait. Yeah, gang. Anything else you guys might want me to look at? Now's the time. If there's any charts or any pairs you guys want me to look at, I'll be more than happy to take a look at it for you and make a kind of a little top-down analysis on it for you. But yeah, now we wait for a little bit. Let's see what happens. Not a long wait. We got what, 28 minutes. Be patient, gang. Be patient. Let's just wait on it. it's pulling back up. Probably the 4 hour looking to flip. Put that back around a second. If I were make this bottom wick here, this might flip. How many pips? Sorry. 37 pips. Looking at this impulse entry here. See how we made this bottom wick? Now this thing's looking to flip here. It's about 82 pips here. 33.8. Okay. Let's see what pulls down a little bit more. Yeah, I think Bitcoin's gonna drop a little more too. Yeah, no bottom weight. Look at that. It's hard to take these buys. I mean, it's looking good on the 1 hour, but yeah, 30-minute no bottom wick, 15-minute no bottom wick. Can't do it, gang. Can't. I'll wait these 20 minutes instead. See what happens. On the 4 hour. On the 4 hours, also looking good to push up, but this is still somewhat of a new candle. This thing could still come down and dance around here before it decides to flip. But this 30-minute candle, man, no bottom wick is not good. Now, if you look at the 30-minute, look at the support. It actually broke below. I might look at the sells in this from this angle. Then we have this FEG. We might be coming down here and tap into this before we flip up.
Yeah, this could be a 30-minute top wick here for this thing to flip. The entry would normally be at the break of the lows here, but where will my stops be here? Let me see something. 48 pips. Yeah. 48 pips, 49 pips. It's about 50 pips. Man, I'm not too discouraged on this trade here. You know, trading this 30-minute breakout. Yeah, so we had all this consolidation. We got to pump up. Then look at this strong bearish candle off the 30. Now we're making a top wick. You know, this candle opens no bottom wick. I might be interested in these sells, gang, here. It's like, I would say about, probably have it above these highs here. So it'll be like a 55 pip stop loss. It's not that steep. 33.8, 33.80. What I'm gonna take this sell here. Get a little pop up. I want a little bit more room. All right, it's starting to come down. Let's see if this 30-minute flips before I do anything here. Fluidity, what's up, man? From 85. Yeah, man, look at this reversal here. Now that we got the closure below, that 379, damn, the stops got a little steeper. All right, gang, I took the sell here. I'm targeting the FEG here. I'm in sells now. I'll put up the information in a second. Let me just see how it opened up here for me. One second. Trying to make the adjustment. At 3379. Drop down. Alright, and we these highs right here, say 33886. Alright, and TP is gonna be. I'm just gonna catch it down to this FEG here because you might wanna. I'll say 3369. All right, that's our trade, gang, and yeah, we're currently in profit here. I'm anticipating this flip here. All right. Yeah, fluidity. I think this thing has potential. I mean, looking at the daily, right? Going back to that analysis, I mean, we have this FEG here. We, at the very least, will come down and tap that. And what's that? 3344544. But I think we're gonna, you know, we've been ranging it, so we might come down to the bottom of the range about 3275, maybe even further down. We might hit this low right here, fluidity, right here, about 3175. But yeah, for now, this is where we are. Yeah. All right, gang. We're running about 5 pips in profit. See if this 30-minute flips here. We already closed below. Came up, made a top wick, no bottom wick here. This thing should flip, make a bottom wick, swipe the lows. Once it takes out the lows, we should continue to drive down here. Let me set this up too. Yeah, we're in it now, so it's all in the hands of probability. I'll let it ride here. I'm good with the risk. There we go. We're getting that flip here. Yeah, we're running about 18 pips in profit. Ooh, here we go. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, we're running 24 pips in profit here, gang. What I'm gonna do is once we take out the lows, I'll go break even. What's that gonna put us? That'll put us at about 37 pips in profit. See, we take out the lows here. Nice trade, gang. Nice trade. Beautiful. Oh, forgot to update this. Give me 1 second. I always put a text here. Almost forgot. All right. Three. What was it? 79. 6. What the hell? My stop loss was 3386. Our TP is going to be all the way down there, 69. All right, that's our trade information there for those tuning in. And yeah, we're currently running 24 pips in profit, more or less. Yeah, I'm not break even yet, gang. I'll go break even if we come down and sweep the lows. Flips, like I said, I know what I'm risking up here. So make sure you guys manage your risk. If you're happy with 24 pips, take your 24 pips. It's a good time to close. No shame in that. But this was my trade here. My stops are at the break of these highs right here. And my TP is going to be down here at this FBG fill right here. That's about 108 pips. Wait on it, gang. We're trading the 30-minute breakout here. Once we got this closure and we broke below the support here, once I did the top down analysis, we got the closure. Next candle came up, made a top wick, had no bottom wick. Once it came up, when it started coming down, we caught it right here. And boom, we're in it. Yeah, beautiful trade, beautiful. It's running, gang. See, we're gonna swipe the lows here off the previous 30 lows here. We got about 8 minutes left on this candle. I want this candle to break those lows. Here we go. And we're running 31 pips in profit right now. 31 pips. 32. Yeah, there we go. 33 pips. It's moving a pip at a time here, but yeah, we're about to sweep these lows here. Yeah, but we're in solid profits, gang. You know, so yeah, we're 33 pips in profit here. So make sure you guys, you know, manage your risk. And like I said, if you want to take your 30 pips and get out, you're definitely able to do that. I'm just gonna wait for the break of the lows right there. 5 more pips. Come on, break the lows. Right there. Right there. There we go. 2 more pips. Come on, gold. Yeah, it's right at that low there. It came right to the low, but didn't break it. Came right at it. Yeah, but we're up 35 pips here. Okay, I'm going break even, gang. I went break even. Oh, there goes. Took the. Oh wait, did it take it there? Nah, it's right at the low. All right, but I went break even, gang. Break even. That's fine. 35 pips in profit. I'm happy with that. All right, stops are. Yeah. Yeah. There we go, gang. Boom. Lows have been broken. Gang, we're running about 39 pips in profit at the moment. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. I am, wow, I'm up $700. Oh, shit. All right. Here we go. Oh. All right. I close partials here. Close partials at 39 pips. Just 50%. I still have another half of my position. There we go, gang. Yeah, I got another half running here. Beautiful trade, gang. Beautiful. We'll break even, secure some partials on the way down, and we're running here, gang. There we go. Yeah, beautiful. Let's go. Yeah, we're running about 43 pips here. Yeah. Here we go, gang. Yep. Message me here. Hey, Courtney, what's up, man? I went in with 2 lots. 2 lots from this entry here. And yeah, closed 1 lot and still have 1 lot running. That would be what on well, Courtney, you're trading futures, right? So futures, that would have been I didn't take this one on my futures account, but that would be 2 contracts on GC. Wow, that would have been MGC. Yeah, MGC would have been that would have been what, 20 contracts. Yeah, so right now I'm holding 1 contract on GC. Pretty much, I mean, not on futures, but I trade on my personal broker. So yeah, I'm holding 1 lot here. Yeah, I'm currently up $484 on it. Is risk free now. So yeah, I secured a partial. All right, we're running 51 pips. Woo, here we go. 52 pips, gang. Beautiful, beautiful. Gang, make sure you go break even. At least go break even. Do not let this trade go red, please. All the information is right on screen here. I secure partials at 39 pips. Would advise you guys do the same. And yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. 60 pips. Here we go. Good, man. Goodness. All right. Yeah, Courtney, 4 contracts on MGC is good, bro. That's good. Remember, it's not about the amount. It's just, you trade smart. Everybody has a different balance. Some people might not want to take too much of a risk, so they use smaller contracts or smaller assets. That's fine, bro. As long as you make your bag, my man. I mean, we're running 60 pips, even on 4 contracts on MGC, man. What's that? That should be around $250 or something like that. That's not bad, bro. Maybe more. Just make sure you go break even, maybe close out 2 of those contracts, hold the other half, whatever you want to do. Come on, we need this push, go. Now we need to come all the way down, fill the range here. Tap into that FEG there. Ooh, where's this thing going? Bro. Yo, Jose Trades, what's up, my brother? Jose, you got in on this trade, bro? We're pulling back a little bit now, but we tapped out around 60 pips. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that pullback here. What's going on here? Oh, look at this FEG here. This on the 5-minute. This thing might want to come up and tap into it before it comes back down. But our break even is right above this FEG. If it invalidate this and then flips and breaks through it, then we'll get tapped out. But might get a little bit of a pullback here, and then the continuation. So let's hang tight. Let's see what happens. I already secured the bag, so we secured some good partials there. So I'm good. All right, so we got a bearish closure, even though we did get a nice push right back up here. So see if it's gonna come up to test the level here. Right, might come back test the resistance. Right, previous support, now resistance. It might come up, tap into it, and then continue. Let's see. Oh man. Well, Jose, check it out here. If it does come back up near this entry or right around this support area or resistance, I should say, might be an opportunity to get back in. But yeah, we're break even here, so yeah, we got the impulse entry on the flip of the 30 here. Starting to come back down here. All right, let's stay patient here and wait on it. Let's see if we get the drop now. Is Nas moving up here? What's Nas doing? Oh, yeah, look at this shit. What? Look at that impulsive move on the Nasdaq. It's pulling back up here. Wow, 4-hour FG all the way up here. I don't know if this thing's gonna come back up. FG down here never tapped it though. I don't know. All right, we'll worry about that tomorrow. I got a runner on Nas going, so I'm already break even and secured some serious parcels in that this afternoon. Anybody know anything about the what's that? The cup and handle? Isn't this this pattern right here? This like curvish pattern, and then the flip down. That's not. I mean, I'm not familiar with it, but I would have thought it would have been something what they call a cup and handle. Is that what this is right here? To me, it's just right here, liquidity grab, come down. You know, after that drop, consolidation. You know, manipulation, and then distribution now. Yeah, we're making our way down here, gang. So let's see if gold can keep pushing down. See if it hits our target. If we tap these lows again at yeah, it's about 60. Oh, damn. What is this? Yeah, about 66 pips. 65. I'll close I'll close half of my runner here. Yeah. We come back in that area, I'll take another partial there. That's at 65 pips or so, and then let the other half run here. If we come down there. If not, I'm okay with hitting break even. I already secured 39 pips. It was about $392, something like that. Let's wait on it here. Pulling back up, gang. We're at that 5-minute FEG. No bottom wick on the 5. It might come and tap this FEG here.
tap into that area and then pull back down. We keep it on the 5-minute just to see what it does here. Ooh. Yeah, if it invalidates this fair value gap, then again, we're probably going to get stopped out. But if that happens, it'll tap us out of BE, and more likely than that, it'll probably continue to move up. Yeah, it's flipping it, but it didn't tap in. Excuse me. Ooh, 5 minutes gonna flip bearish here. I got less than a minute. I just want to see if it's gonna flip. All right, 20 seconds. It didn't flip all the way through. It doesn't look like it's going to. Nope. Oh, almost did though. All right. Oh, we're still in the gang. We are still in it. It's looking good. All right. Well, this 30-minute made its top wick here, and now reflip bearish.
See, we continue to drive. I wanted to come down and break these lows here, but I still have plenty of time, about 18 minutes or so. So we'll wait on it and see. We'll stay patient here. And also, if you notice that 5-minute FEG didn't really get tapped into, this candle just missed tapping into it. Might be a candle come up and tap into it, perhaps. Not. This was it, and it's gonna start to come down here. Ooh, beautiful push. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna see if it hits this area right this low here, around 65 pips. I'm gonna take partials, close half of my runner here, or there if it gets there. There we go, Goldie, Goldie. Keep driving, keep driving. And it's back up about 50, 55 pips. It was. Yeah, we got about another 14 minutes of this candle closure, but I wanted to come and pick these lows. Let's see if we get that push down. Yeah, we had some pretty decent volume. I mean, once this candle came and closed below, I was looking at the 4-hour at the moment, and this thing was trading above, and I was thinking, well, you know, this thing might make a bottom where it take the lows out and reflip. But look at this move down on the 4-hour. Yeah, 1 hour clearly get that breakout right here, so we already know, we confirmed that. Came up, made a top wick. We should continue to drive down, especially if we re-break these lows here. Yeah, but let's see, right? See what the market wants to do. right, we're flipping bearish again here. All right, gang, just hang tight for me there. Got some dishes I gotta kind of get rid of this area. I was eating something here, so I'll be right back. And yeah, it was at 12, about 13 minutes. So let's see what this candle does here.
All right, got about 10 seconds for this candle to close up over here. Let's see. Yeah, we came down significantly, but nothing there really. Didn't come down. All right, here, let's see. Going up here. I'm at 26 pips here. All right, I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close here. Let's see if we flip. If we can reflip bearish, break the lows, should see a drive down. Let's see what happens here. This candle failed to break the lows here, so it never came back down. A tap here. Let's see if this candle made a top wick and flip. If not, then I'll probably just close the run and grab whatever I have in profit at that moment. But let's see, it's starting to come down here. Yeah, we're up about 31 pips here.
looking to take out these previous 30 highs right here. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking to break. Yeah, if it takes out these highs there, it's probably gonna continue to push up, right? Yeah. Well, I don't have the moving averages on screen here. Oh man. Wow, bro, it's been a long day, man. Sean, what's up, brother? How's it going? Sean, where you at, Sean? Oh no, you're not in the UK, right? At least not. What was it that you told me? You told me you were somewhere else. And this thing's gonna break the highs. I'm gonna. This was the low I wanted to take out here, but you know, made an attempt. Got pushed back up here, so. I don't know, gang. I might. I mean, again, I just have my run. I mean, I know I secured the bag, but it'd be nice to get a little more. How much am I up on this? About $254 right now on this runner. Wait, it's pulling down here. Back up 30 pips. Minutes. I just want to see if this was a top wick and failed to break the highs here. So now we made a top wick. If we flip and flip here, break of these lows, we should get the push down here. But if it stalls here, I'm probably just gonna take my profits and run. It's a 32 pip profit. Yeah, 15-minute no top wick, 5-minute no top wick. Oh, Canada, that's what it is. Yeah, Sean, Canada, that's right. All right, that's what's up. That is what's up. Yeah, this thing is flipping here. Okay, well, damn, but this is probably gonna
take out the lows and flip. 1 hour still bearish with 14 minutes to go. Damn. $38 pips. Drops to 40. It's at 40 pips now. Yeah, it's up 40 pips right now. It's not a bad bag, bro. It's $400. Ooh. Yeah. 430, 450. I think I'm good here, gang. Oh, well, it's coming down here. The smaller time frames don't mess with me because no top wick here. Same thing on the 5 minute. Not a fan of that. And I got $450 on the table right now. At $467 right now. Let's go. Give me 500. I'll close it at 500. Come on. I'm good with that bag. $480, $498. Popped up. $485. Yeah, I'm trying to see if but it's about to break this low, so I don't know. Not $493 in profit. There we go. There you go, 520. Damn, I'm tempted. Oh, it broke the low. Sweet. Ooh, if it pops up, I'm gonna close this now. Ooh, popped up. Yeah, I got out, gang. All right, I took my profits there. Made what was that? What did I close it at? $417. All right, 417 bucks plus the other 390. That's beautiful, beautiful, gang. So yeah. All right, gang. I got out here. Once it broke the lows and reflipped, it didn't continue down. So more like this thing's gonna push up. But yeah. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good here, gang. Yeah, so again, beautiful trade, gang. Let me just kind of get rid of this here. That was our trade there today, gang. Yeah, 30-minute breakout, right? So this candle came down, broke, left us a bottom wick, right? We come up, made a top wick. When we started to flip, we took the impulse entry about halfway up here, right around here. And we caught this whole move all the way down here. Gave us about 60, 65, almost 70 pips. Not bad. Not bad. So, gang, yeah, that's all I got for tonight. Thought it was a very productive night. And no, Sean, no, I don't stream every day. I used to do it every weeknight for Asia session, but there's a lot of things to do. I got family and stuff like that, so I don't get on on stream every single night. But whenever I get a chance to, I'll get on stream here. I think I would say I'm on sometimes about maybe 2 or 3 times a week. But if you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications, you'll get notified when I get on stream. So again, yeah, that's all I got tonight, gang. We did a great job there. We caught I think closed that runner with 41 pips and partials at 39, so not bad. Yeah, that's all I got. For my platform members, we will be trading the New York session tomorrow, so stay tuned. We're still holding those runners. I'm holding NAS runners from up here, gang, all the way up here, 7.5, right here. So from right up here, we've been holding all the way down here. We're kind of correcting here, but yeah, our break even is like right here. So yeah, we're holding. We took partials on this. I closed about 80% of my position. So I'm holding a small runner for TP, which is all the way down here. I'm waiting for this thing to come down all the way here, but our entry is right at the top here. So, you know, if you're interested in having trade signals, you know, the link is on my bio, my email's there. You can email me, get in contact with me directly, and you can take the signals I put out. And you know, we eating, man, we eating. Our platform is very good. The signals are good, solid. Mentorship, chart markup and analysis, the whole works. Yeah, but thanks again, everyone. Sean, thanks again for tuning in. Jose Trades, my man. Fluidity, always a pleasure, bro. Courtney, Danny, Shorty, Edward, all my peeps that tune in every night and support. Vontae, appreciate you guys. So, yeah, everybody have a safe and blessed night. You know, for those that are out there driving, yeah, be safe. Again, don't overtrade, don't over risk if you're gonna be in the markets. And yeah, we'll be back at it tomorrow, hopefully. All right. God bless everyone. Have a good night. Peace out.